Let me show you how to make the most refreshing lemon chia seed tea in just 30 seconds. Start with 80 grams of fresh Thai lime. The specific variety makes all the difference. Gently press to release the juice without crushing the pea. This careful approach prevents any brightness from developing, ensuring pure citrus flavor. Fill your shaker with premier ice up to the 600 milliliters mark. The quality of ice matters. It affects both dilution and temperature control. Add 10 milliliters of fruit syrup for natural sweetness and 25 milliliters of rock sugar syrup for depth. This method recreates that premium tea shop experience. Pour in 250 milliliters of 5-infusion jasmine tea. The multiple steeping process creates incredible aromatic complexity. The choice of water or green tea base allows for customization. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds. These nutritional powerhouses will create that signature gelatinous texture that makes this drink so unique. Shake vigorously 20 times. The precise motion ensures perfect integration without over diluting. Layer crispy pop-up peas at the bottom of your serving glass. They provide that satisfying chewiness that contrasts beautifully with the chia seeds. The final pour creates a stunning layer of fat that is as visually appealing as it is delicious. The first sip delivers everything: the bright citrus notes, the floral jasmine aroma, the intriguing texture of chia seeds, and the fine crunch of bubble. This is not just a drink, it is an experience that feels both luxurious and refreshing.